say?
It's probably a replica, but I don't even.
You got these two Ferraris here. Dude, the matte purple goes so well with it. It's so nice. That shit's sick. M3. Okay. Dude, it's like a midnight blue.
I know, bro. It's fucking nice.
Uh-huh.
Look at all the swirls.
And it's like a midnight blue. It's sick. Uh-huh. Bro, look at the paint. Oh, Marco. Oh, what's up, bro? Got a C8. Oh, this Viper, bro. Aiden. It's full carbon in this bitch. Oh my goodness.
He's got BBS rims.
Oh my, this thing is just beautiful. They have a super nice collection in here. Beautiful cars.
We saw when it came in.
So many C8s, Z06. But there's so many C8s. Oh my, look at the X5M.
Because you left it on.
They just have so many C8s here. Holy, they're fully lined up C8s over here. This is a RS4, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, RS4. That's 2K. It's beautiful. Fucking I8. I haven't seen an I8 in so long. I haven't. Oh my goodness. Really? Oh yeah, you did.
I did.
Hey,
Aiden, he's got carbon rims. 4 CS. F10. GD.
Well, the buckets
Yeah.
are so nice.
I know, that's what I was saying.
The BBS is up front and then just normal in the back. F80. Just a nice Supra. Oh, F90 M5. Dude, I love how they.
F1000.